are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today the video is a sneak peek of a December box. Crazy that December is the next month, but we are opening up Sudsy Club. I've opened this several times on my channel. This is what the packaging looks like. Sudsy Club is a bi-monthly bath subscription, or like soap subscription I should say. So every other month you get a box, and this is going to be the December box, so if you order now this is what you should receive. It is $25 and that's every other month, not every month you're billed or anything like that. The company did provide me with a code that saves you 20% for your first box, so that's $5, so you can get your first box for only $20. And in each box you get 3 luxury handcrafted like small batch soaps that are always so amazing. And you also get a spa item. So all of their soaps are made without any chemicals or any artificial fragrances. They're cruelty free. They leave your skin feeling nice and moisturized. I can attest to that because I've been getting this box and I have a bar of their soap in my shower right now. Because I know a lot of commercial soaps do dry out your skin, but I don't have a problem with this soap. So let's get started and see what's in the December/January box. And of course I'm going to link them down below, and I'll list that promo code as well if you guys are interested. I'm also going to link down below a giveaway I have going on. I have a beauty giveaway going on, so I'm going to link the video that was in to my Ipsy Ultimate. So that's open for about 2 weeks, I think until the 24th, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. So when I open it up, this is what I see, and I am getting just a whiff of amazing scents. Awesome. So here's a little card that comes in it. It says Sudsy Club December. Looks festive. It's so crazy. I know I just said this, but December is not that far away. And on the back of this it says all natural, nothing artificial, which we kind of touched on already. Luxurious moisturized skin. We never compromise on our quality. And then on the inside of this it talks about the 3 soaps you get, as well as your like bonus spa items. So let me show you again how nicely packaged this is, and so cute. Oh my god, something smells so good. Probably all of it, but let's start with the soap. So the first one I see here is a Himalayan pink salt bar, and this is what the packaging looks like. So they package them super cute. So on here it says Sudsy & Co, where luxury begins, all natural artisan soap, only the finest ingredients. And on the back it talks a little bit more about the ingredients and everything. It says made with the highest quality plant-based oils and butters, along with therapeutic grade essential oils and botanicals. The natural oils and butters leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized, not drying like commercial soaps. Our soaps contain no chemicals, no artificial fragrance, and no artificial coloring. It smells so good. Okay, let's see what they say so I can get more of an idea of what the exact scent is. I wish I was a scent expert. Like, this smells really good, but that's like all I can tell you. So it says the pink Himalayan salt is loaded with sea salt and has a unique blend of essential oils to create the conditioning and cleansing experience. When you lather up this bar, you get uplifting scents of eucalyptus and spearmint. It creates a creamy lather and rinses off clean and leaves your skin so soft and conditioned. Pink Himalayan salt bar will become your favorite spa bar for the extra special bath. Now once I read eucalyptus and spearmint, I can totally get that. So refreshing. I just keep sniffing it. Okay, let's move on to the next soap. The next one, ooh, peppermint silk bar. I feel like these are very good scents for like December, like fall, winter time. So I won't repeat everything that's on the labeling, but this is what it looks like again. So it says the name of the soap on the top. And let's smell. Oh, it does smell so good. So it says peppermint silk bar. This bar is so pretty and smells heavenly. If you love the scent of peppermint, this bar is for you. It has rose kaolin clay swirled throughout, which is awesome for your skin. Peppermint essential oil is known to be uplifting and just leaves you with a sense of well-being. It's a great way to start your day or end it. This bar leaves your skin silky soft and moisturized. Love it. And then our last soap, this one is Balsam Fir. Oh my god, this smells so good. Is this my favorite? I think in every single Sudsy Club video I can't decide what my favorite is, but this might be the winner. So Balsam Fir Bar. Take a stroll through the Great North Woods with this one. A shea butter soap that is scented with balsam fir and cedarwood. Fresh, woodsy, clean scent. Naturally colored with chlorella powder, superfood algae. It is also a great one for the holidays. Bring that fresh Christmas tree scent into the shower or tub. A perfect way to bring back those memories that scent triggers every holiday. I'm definitely getting that like trigger of like Christmas time. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Let me smell the other ones again. They all smell really great, and I think they're all like appropriate scents for the season, but I think I have to say the Balsam Fir is my favorite. Oh my god, I love it. So these 3 bars, can't wait to use. If you ever have too many bars, or if you get this box, sometimes you can just throw one of these into a gift, because I know the holidays are right around the corner, and look how cutely packaged it is. I mean, you can get the subscription as a gift too, but I like to if I have extra things like this, I like to throw them into gift bags and stuff like that, because first of all, it makes the bag or the box smell amazing when they open it, and then they get an amazing soap too, so I just thought of that. But let's move on to what the other item is. It looks like we actually have 2 items. They're in this bag here. Ooh, and it looks like they're lip balms. Also appropriate for the season. I know a lot of people suffer from dry, chapped lips, especially if you're in like a windy, cold climate. So we have 2 here. It says Sudsy & Co. Where Luxury Begins, Glossy Lip Balm, and this one's in orange. And it says the ingredients are coconut oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, and orange essential oil. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. I love lip balm. It smells really good. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, it smells like cocoa and orange. Since it's made with cocoa butter, that's probably why I'm getting that scent. I like this, that sounds really good. I have lipstick on now, but I just kinda wanna put it in my hand. Yeah, it feels super nice and soft, awesome. And then what is the other one? This one is peppermint. So it's made with coconut oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, peppermint essential oil. Smells super good. I don't know why I'm swatching lip balms. It's just like, I've been doing so many beauty videos, but I guess you can get a sense of like how it feels. It feels nice. So let's see what they say on here. Oh, this says it's glossy. It kind of is. Can you guys see my hand's a little bit glossy there? I don't know if you can. But on here it says glossy lip balm, orange and peppermint. Finally, a glossy lip balm that conditions, hydrates, and moisturizes your lips. Great way to keep your lips moisturized and soft during those sunny days outside. All natural with no added chemicals or hardeners. The organic cocoa butter smells amazing and is the perfect complement for dry lips. It leaves your lips with a glossy finish. And then it repeats what it's made of. It's made with coconut oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, peppermint, or orange essential oil, depending on the balm. So I can't wait to use these. Obviously I'm keeping these for myself since I put both on my hand just to see, but it does leave like a little bit of a glossy effect, and they both smell really good. And I love lip balm. I need something on my lips all the time. Like right now I just put some lip product on and it doesn't feel too bad, but like all throughout the day I'm constantly applying lip balm. So I'll probably throw one of these in my purse and like leave one like on my desk or something like that. But I think this might be one of my favorites. I think this is my favorite like spot item that comes with it. Like in the past we've gotten like loofah type thing. I think last month or 2 months ago we received this little exfoliating bag. So it's a bag that holds your soap, but it also can function as like working as an exfoliator. Like you can keep the soap in the bag and clean yourself and exfoliate at the same time. So I thought that was really awesome. I'll link my last video down below if you want to see what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm doing a poor job explaining. But and then another month, what did we get? I think we got, yeah, some kind of oil before. We've gotten a lot of good stuff, but I have to say getting lip balm is really exciting. I think that's a great gift, and I think all of the soaps smell so good. I just need to do it one more time. Balsam Fir. Smells so good. Himalayan pink salt. I love the smell of eucalyptus and spearmint together though. God, this is hard. And peppermint silk bark. I'm trying to think, because I go through like a soap. I'm just alone here, so I usually do give at least one of my soaps away as a gift, and it's gifting season, so I'm thinking for sure I'm gonna keep the Balsam Fir though. I love it. I don't know though, but anyways, you guys have to leave me your thoughts down below. What scent you think smells the best? I wish there was smell-o-vision so I can just like hold it out and you guys can take a whiff, but I really enjoyed this box. Again, It is $25 every other month, and the next box shipping is this one, December. And if you use my code, you save 20%, which is $5. And this is not an affiliate code or anything like that. It's just a code to help you out. So I really appreciate Sudsy Club for providing that for us. Thank you so much. And thank you all for watching. Again, it's gonna be linked down below, and make sure you enter my giveaway before time runs out. But yeah, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.